Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLB 250 4MATIC. This one's a mountain gray metallic. Under the hood is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 221 horsepower and 255 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels we've got 18-inch alloys. Tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLB 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, heated seats, memory seats, power window. Hopping in, we've got our new touchpad steering wheel controls, which is displayed on two 10.25 high resolution screens for the instrument cluster and media display. Also has Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition. Also new to Mercedes is our media display is now touchscreen. We've got a rear view backup camera. Also new to Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX, which is our Mercedes artificial intelligence. You can give it voice commands by saying, "Hey my Mercedes,
how may I help you?
Turn heated seats on."
I'm switching on the seat heating.
And as simple as that, you can give it voice commands and it will do so. We've got dual climate controls, USB port, cup holders, our new touchpad for our media display, dynamic select settings for our driving settings, volume button. This GLB has 3,133 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLB, check out feldmannimports.com.